Hello and welcome to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to access power management in Windows 10 and adjust your settings for better performance or battery life. Step 1. Open the search menu by clicking the Start button and type Control Panel. This lets you quickly find the main system settings in Windows. Step 2. Click on the Control Panel result that appears at the top of the search. This opens the full control panel window where you can access all system options. Step 3. At the top right corner of the control panel window, set View by to large icons. This makes it easier to see all the available settings without scrolling. Step 4. Click on Power Options to open the power management settings. Here you can control how your computer uses energy and manages performance. Step 5. Choose a power plan that suits your needs. Balanced for normal use, power saver to extend battery life, or high performance for maximum speed. Selecting the right plan helps your PC run efficiently. Step 6. In the left pane, click Choose When to turn off the display. This allows you to set timers for your screen to save energy when the PC is idle. Step 7. Set how long your screen stays on when idle, and under Put the computer to sleep, choose Never if you want to prevent sleep mode. This is useful for keeping your work visible or running long tasks. Step 8. Click Save Changes to apply your settings. Now your power management settings are customized exactly how you want them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.